How to summarize long articles using AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn long articles into short summaries with using AI. First thing first you need to do is go over to your web browser or any other file or document where you have your long articles. Here I've got this long article, so what I'm going to do is long press on the text right here and copy the text all the way from the top and copy the entire text. Just go down, keep copying this. All right, so let's just do right over here. I'll copy this. Go over to your preferred AI. I like using ChatGPT for short summaries. So let me just quickly head over to ChatGPT. You can paste the text here, hit enter, and then give it a prompt like just say summarize this and hit send. Now it's going to quickly read the text and summarize the text for you in a short paragraph. And if you want even shorter summary, you can ask it to do that. I'll just do shorter and it's going to give me a shorter summary for this. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.